My name is Claude Marc. I'm the CEO of GRADEL. So GRADEL is existing since 1965 and we have started in nuclear business. In nuclear business we make maintenance equipment for cleaning the nuclear power plants. We use that knowledge with the engineering office to diversify in businesses in glass markets for sputtering targets. With a patented process we have industrialized over time. Now, since 2010, we moved into the space market with mechanical ground support equipment, where we have developed a full portfolio of handling and transport equipment. And starting out of that, we have now developed a new technology which is for lightweight. We started in 2020 to develop a new endless filament winding technology which we commercialize under the brand name of GRAM. GRAM stands for GRADEL Robotic Additive Manufacturing. It's an endless filament winding process where we take off-the-shelf fibers and impregnate them on an applicator which is developed on our own and which is patented now. This technology enables weight savings up to 70% and we use 80% less of materials. Half of mass needs half of energy to accelerate it or to lift it up in the sky. That's why GRAM is making the most sense in everything which is flying, like drones, satellites, aircraft, urban air mobility. All these topics are really subject for lightweight. That's why we position ourselves in aerospace and defense market. We have recently signed a contract for a military satellite where we are supposed to deliver 10 parts. This is giving us flight heritage by end of 2028. That's an important milestone for convincing our customers to come with us. We will start in beginning of 2027 a production with low-hanging fruit components like structures for drones or substructures for PV panels. That's how we start to industrialize. We offer product manufacturing for customers which do not have the series enabling to invest in the winding equipment. But for those which have the quantities to manufacture on their own, we sell whole projects. We do the proof of concept, pre-series, and we sell the winding equipment, including services, maintenance, consumables. We will also provide engineering services or software dedicated to engineering or production services to our customers.
My name is Nico Janot. I'm R&D manager at GRADEL Light Weight. My first responsibility is with my team of calculation and design engineer to design the GRAM structures. We are also in charge to develop the tooling which is used for the robotic winding process. And my second responsibility is also to coordinate the development and continuous improvement through material, design and robotic departments. On the design side, we are working on a space structure for the space industry, where we have to meet strict requirements and also to keep the mass as low as possible. These projects are for us a nice opportunity to optimize our process through development to manufacturing point of view, to perform multiple tests for qualification, to correlate our model and increase our knowledge.
Hello, my name is Hind Saladi. I'm a robotic engineer at GRADEL Light Weight. So I work on robot programming, simulation and trajectory development for automatic manufacturing processes. So we start with the digital design, but the robot cannot understand it directly. So my role is to translate this design into movement, logic and instruction the robot can execute. In practice, as a robotician, we generate trajectories, we define the winding path and we create the code automatically. Then we test everything first in simulation and then we validate it in real production. So our role is to make sure that the robot can build what was designed correctly by using AI technologies to make the process more efficient and more safe. Our objective is to decrease non-recurring costs by a factor of 5 to 10.
Our strength is that we have shown already multiple times that we can industrialize projects from an idea up to a finished product. We showed that in nuclear, in glass market, we did it recently in space, and now we are ready to do that for the GRAM technology. GRAM is a patented process technology. It is very versatile. We can go from large structures onto small. We can have weight savings, 80% left resources. It is really the right technology for the right time. GRADEL is as a group excellently positioned regarding all the geopolitical situation worldwide. We have nuclear with a renaissance, the glass market is a really growing market, satellite and defense have all-time high budgets for the moment, and this is where we focus on. And lightweight matters, especially in the latter one. GRADEL has innovation in its NDA. We have demonstrated multiple times our capacity to industrialize ideas and are working very customer-oriented. Our portfolio of technologies is unique and sometimes even an enabler. We help our customers to move them to the next level.